gagawin po natin dito sa video na ito is how to extract square roots. So, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo ang unang chart of the perfect squares 1 to 30. So, ayan. Yan po ang ating gagawin sa how to extract the square roots. So, let's do it. So, how to extract square roots. So, x squared equals 25. So, si 25 ay perfect square. So, anong gagawin natin? Get the square root of both sides. So, ayan. Square root of x squared equals positive, negative square root of 25. So, the answer is x equals positive and negative 5. So, si 25 ay perfect square. So, ang perfect square ni 25 is 5. So, another example. So, x squared equals 121. So, ang unang gagawin natin is get the square root of both sides. So, we will have square root of x squared equals positive and negative square root of 121. So 121 ay perfect square. So, ang sagot is x equals positive and negative 11. So, another. Ito. X squared equals 36. So, anong unang gagawin ulit natin is get the square root of both sides. So, square root of x squared equals positive and negative square root of 36. So, ang perfect square ni 36 is 6, diba? Answer is x equals positive and negative 6. So, ito na. So, yan. Okay. Binigyan ko kayo ng table para alam niyo yung sagot. So, ito. X squared equals 63. So, si 63 ay hindi perfect squared. So, gagawin natin, get the square root of both sides. So, square root of x squared equals square root of 63. So, mag-iisip kayo ng number ni 63. So, factor the perfect square. So, x equals positive and negative square root of 9 times 7. So, ayan yung naisip natin. Nakikita yan sa table. So, get the square root of perfect square. So, x equals positive and negative square root of 9 square root of 7. So, ano bang perfect square ni 9? So, it's 3. Perfect square ni 7 is wala. So, the answer is x equals positive and negative 3 square root of 7. But nandyan pa rin si square root of 7 kasi wala siyang perfect square. So, another. X squared equals 32. Si 32 pa rin ay hindi pa rin siya perfect squared. So, ang gagawin natin is get the square root of both sides. So, square root of x squared equals square root of 32. So, isip kayo ng factor ni 32. So, factor the perfect square. So, x equals positive and negative square root of 16 times 2. So, ayun yung naisip. Makikita rin yan sa table. So, okay. Get the square root of the perfect square. So, x equals positive and negative square root of 16 and square root of 2. So, si square root of 16, si 16 ay perfect square, si 2 hindi. So, the answer is x equals positive and negative 4 square root of 2. So, again, meron pa ulit example. So, x squared equals 99. So, unang gagawin is get the square root of both sides. So, square root of x squared equals square root of 99. So, si 99 hindi pa rin siya perfect square. Mag-iisip kayo ng factor ni 99. So, factor the perfect square. So, 9 equals positive and negative square root of 9 times 11. So, si 9 ay perfect square. So, si 11 hindi. So, get the square root of the perfect square. So, 9 equals positive and negative square root of 9 square root of 11. Si 9 ay perfect square. So, si 11 hindi. So, the answer is x equals positive and negative 3 square root of 11. So, yun na. So, ito tayo. Ba naman? So, 2x minus 6 squared equals 24. So, anong gagawin? divide both side by 2. So, di-divide natin siya both side. So, ang sagot is x minus 6 squared equals 12. So, 24 divided by 2 is 12. So, get the square root of both sides. Square root of x equal minus 6 squared equals square root of 12. So, find the solution. X equal minus 6 equals positive and negative 4. So, hanapin natin to ng solution or roots. Si x minus 6 equals positive negative 4. So, find the solution or roots. So, x minus 6 equals 4. So, and ililipat natin si 6 sa kabila. So, x equals 4 plus 6. So, ang sagot is x equals 10. So, sa kabila ulit, x minus 6 equals negative 4. So, ililipat natin si negative 6 sa kabila. So, x equals negative 4 plus 6. So, the answer is x equals 2. So, another. Ito. 2x minus 4 squared minus 1 equals 17. So, si negative 1, ililipat natin sa kabila. Tapos, ito na yung sagot. 2x minus 4 squared equals 18. So, si 1 nilipat natin at i-add natin para maging 18. So, divide both sides by 3. So, i-divide natin si 3. Divide natin si 18 sa 3. So, ang answer is 2x minus 4 squared equals 6. So, 18 divided by 3 is 6. So, get the square root of both sides. So, square root of 2x minus 4 squared equals square root of 6. So, ito na yung sagot. 2x minus 4 equals positive and negative 3. Square root ni 6 is 3. So, hindi. 3. Yan. So, hanapin natin to na solution or roots. So, 2x minus 4 equals 3. So, ililipat natin si negative 4 sa kabila. So, 2x equals 3 plus 4. So, ang sagot niyan is x equals 7 over 2. So, sa kabila ulit. So, 2x minus 4 equals negative 3. So, ililipat natin si negative 4 sa kabila. So, 2x equals negative 3 plus 4. So, x equals negative 1 over 2. So, iba na to. So, 3x minus 2 squared equals 44. Si 44 ay perfect square. Hindi pala siya perfect square. So, get the square root of both sides. So, square root of 3x minus 2 squared equals square root of 44. So, mag-isip kayo ng number ni 44. So, square root of 3x minus 2 squared equals positive and negative square root of 4 times 11. So, ayan yung naisip nyo sa 44. So, 3x minus 2 equals positive and negative square root of 4 square root of 11. So, si square root of 4, si 4 ay perfect square, si 11 naman hindi. So, 3x minus 2 equals positive and negative 2. So, si 4 ay perfect square, si 2. Si 11 naman hindi. So, let's find the solutions or roots. So, 3x minus 2 equals 2 square root of 11. So, 3x equals 2 plus 2 square root of 11. So, si negative 2 nilipat natin sa kabila kaya magiging positive. So, the answer is x equals 2 plus 2 square root of 3 over 3. Ay, square root of 11 over 3. Sorry. So, 3x minus 2 equals negative 2 square root of 11. So, si negative 2 ililipat natin sa kabila. So, 3x equals positive 2 minus 2 square root of 11. So, ang sagot is x equals 2 minus 2 square root of 11 over 3. So, another example. 6x plus 2 squared equals 72. So, ang unang gagawin is get the square roots of both sides. So, square root of 6 square x plus 2 squared equals square root of 72. So, mag-iisip kayo ng number ni isip kayo ng number ni 72. So, square root of 6x plus 2 squared equals positive and negative square root of 36 times 2. So, ayan yung naisip nyo na number sa 72. So, 6x plus 2 equals positive and negative square root of 36 is square root of 2. So, si 36 ay perfect square. So, 6x plus 2 equals positive and negative 6 square root of 2. Si 2 ay hindi perfect square. So, let's find the solution or roots. 6x plus 2 equals 6 square root of 2. So, si positive 2, ililipat natin dun sa kabila. So, 6x equals negative 2 plus 6 square root of 2. So, x equals negative 2 plus 6 square root of 2 over 6. So, another. 6x plus 2 equals negative 6 square root of 2. So, lilipat ulit natin si 2 sa kabila. So, 6x equals negative 2, negative 6 square root of 2. So, sagot is x equals negative 2 minus 6 square root of 2 over 6. So, another, the last. 7x minus 3 squared equals 52. So, mag-iisip kayo ng number ni 52. So, gagawin, get the square root of both sides. So, square root of 7x minus 3 squared equals square root of 52. So, square root of 7x minus 3 squared rather, equals positive negative square root of 4 times 13. So, ayan yung naisip nyo sa 52 na number. So, 7x minus 3 equals positive and negative square root of 4 square root of 13. So, 7x minus 3 equals positive and negative 2 square root of 13. So, si 4 ay perfect squared, si 13 naman ay hindi. So, let's find ulit, hanapin ulit natin ang solution or roots nila. So, 7x minus 3 equals 2 square root of 13. So, 7x equals 3 positive 2 plus 2 square root of 13. So, nilipat natin si negative 3 sa kabila. So, magiging positive. So, the answer is x equals 3 plus 2 square root of 13 over 7. So, sa kabila ulit. 7x minus 3 equals negative 2 square root of 13. So, lipat ulit natin si negative 3 sa kabila. So, 7x equals positive 3 minus 2 square root of 13. So, ang sagot is x equals 3 minus 2 square root of 13 over 7. So, salamat sa inyo sa pakikinig and thank you. God bless.